After a long time, I just back with another interesting video. How we can install CasaOS on your home server. So you need to go to casaoschimberspace.com and you can check how the installation, how the CasaOS UIs look like. So you just need to first copy the command that's showing in the site, and then you need to go to the terminal. And then you need to access into your home server, and then you need to enter the password to enter in the server. Then you need to paste this command that's a copy from this website, and then I see this help to download the script and run using CasaOS. Okay, I am just trying to run, but it is getting some call error. So that's mean crawl is not here in my system. So I need to install this. So the command is sudo apt install call. So I am using Debian, so in the home server, so you can use something else also. Okay, after entering the password, is installing. Okay, so it is asking, do you want to continue? Yeah, I want to. Then it is installing all the stuff. Let's say it's few minutes. Yeah, now it is done. So now we'll again run this command to install the CasaOS. So installing will take some time. So let's wait until it is downloading. So meanwhile we can see the YouTube shorts, and we'll come back soon when it will be done. Oh, finally the installation is done. Now you will see there is some URL that's showing. You need to copy this URL and you need to paste in the browser. Okay, and then you will see the Casa OS install in your system, and you are accessing from your browser, and you need to set up the initial. You need to create account. You need to keep username and the password, and then your account will be created. That is required for security purpose. And then finally uh, this CasaOS installation is done. Next, you can also check the system stat, how many RAM it is used, and you can also storage details. You can see, you also see the network status. Okay, everything you can also check. This is the hard disks I used, that's 1 TB, and you can also add multiple hard disks with your system. And you can also check you are able to add some files and add subfolder or not. Just I am going to the document section and just creating one folder, and then I will create a new file there, and I will test I'm able to write anything there is not. Hello.txt, and then I will open, and after opening just writing randomly, this is hello test, and I will save this file, and I just close and just try to open again. Yeah, this file is exist. So you can also upload the file from here. You can use as a NAS, and that thing multi-device you can use, and you can also store data here. And then you can also download multiple app like Jellybean for media server. Okay, so even lot of app like DNS and a lot of stuff you can also install. And here the Jellybean is the media server. You can also make like OTT platform like stuff. You can download some files is there, and you can also host there. And even in the local network you can access from your multiple device like mobile phone, laptop. We'll see in the next videos. Oh, such I forget to mention. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe.